tall, watching the fire glow, and telling me I love you.
Hello everyone and welcome back to Kitney Productions. And also welcome back to 26 Holidays. If you don't know what 26 Holidays is, you can watch the video I made about it. But basically it's just every single day I upload a video leading up to, on Christmas, and the day after Christmas. So today I will be doing a little unboxing. I've had this Our Generation set for a while now and I just never got the chance to open it up. So I thought, what a better time than the present to do a little unboxing. I'm really excited and yeah, let's just get started. Alright, so the set I have is the OG barbecue grill and I'm super excited to get this opened up. So let's get started.
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock, jingle bells swing and jingle bells ring. Snowing.
Alright, so first off we have these three utensils. So, oh gosh, a spatula, some tongs, and this like brush thing, I forget what it's called. So this little thing is called a basting brush, and it's like used to, it doesn't matter what it's used for, it's definitely a staple for barbecue. Next we have a pair of salt and pepper, just in cute little containers. And then this is supposed to be a bottle of sauce. It is not labeled, so you could use it like as a soda if you want to, but it is technically supposed to be a bottle of sauce. Then we got some barbecued foods, so a skewer full of, I don't even know. Then there is a burger with 2 buns. You can take it apart, you can put it together. I think it's really cute. Then there is corn on the cob and it has grill marks on it. Then we have a plate with asparagus on it. I'm guessing grilled asparagus, but who knows. Then we have some ribs, which this would be what we'd use the basting brush for. So it's perfect that it's a part of the set. And lastly, we have this fish, which seems to have lemons on it. The lemons do not come off, I don't think. Wait, they might. No, they look like they're, hold on. They look like they're supposed to stay in there. Oh, wait. I don't mind if I accidentally break this. Oh. Ignore that. I kind of broke that. Then, of course, we have the grill itself. So, oh, I'm gonna need to take these off.
And blowing up bushels of fun. Now the jingle hop has begun. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells chiming, jingle bell time. Dancing and prancing in Jingle Bell Square. In the frosty air. What a bright time, it's the right time to rock the...
Anyways, so the top opens up and there's a top rack and the bottom rack, which comes off. I don't know if those light up. Is there a place to put batteries? I do not see a place to put batteries, so I don't think that it lights up. You can turn the knobs. And then down here we have a couple shelves where you could put the food. And then also a fake little propane tank.
Gliding in a one-horse sleigh.
There's no real way to take out the propane tank, but it does come outside of it, but it's connected, so it's just got to stay in there. Overall, I think this set is adorable. I don't know how much I will be using it in the future, but I definitely will be able to use a lot of the accessories, like all these kitchen supplies and like the salt and pepper, I will definitely be able to use those. And I think just overall it's super duper cute and I totally recommend it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and definitely be sure to come back tomorrow and the day after that and the day after that, all the way up to Christmas and the day after, to see more videos like this one or similar to this one or just made by me. Anyways, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye!